Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in our phone Vivo Y16. First go to the settings of a phone here and go to sound. Go to sound and here we will have all volume options. Ringtone volume option is listed in this second line. Okay, this is the ringtone volume. If you want to decrease ringtone volume, you have to move the cursor to the left side. Okay, if you want to increase the ringtone volume, you have to move to the right side. This is maximum volume. See here, listen here, ringtone volume is reduced now. Okay, if you want to control other volumes like media volume, yes, you have the option here. This is media volume. Okay, then notification volume can also be increased or decreased using this bar. Okay, then alarm volume. So here itself you can control four volumes: media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. Okay, also you have other option to adjust this volume using the volume keys. Volume keys are present on the right side of our phone. Just press upper key or lower key, any one you can press, and here this is media volume. Okay, and if you click on here itself you can control the media volume. Okay, if you minimize it to very low level, and it will go to mute. Okay, no, there will be no sound. And if you want to see all control, just click below. Okay, see here, click here, and you will see all four volumes, and here you can control. This is alarm volume. This is notification volume. This is media volume. This is ringtone volume. Okay, so here itself also you can control volumes, that is to increase or decrease ringtone volume or other volumes in our phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.